The third phase of the vaccination drive has begun since yesterday after the state government ordered 1.5 lakh doses on the state budget. It arrived late in the afternoon, and after that, the category of people comprising from 18 to 44 were given jabs yesterday. There were not too many takers. In fact, right now also we see the vaccination center here at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Hospital in Raipur, Chhattisgarh has worn a deserted look as there are not too many takers. In fact, yesterday most of them left empty-handed because by the time most of the population arrived, the vaccinations, the doses didn't arrive. And in fact, this year, Chhattisgarh, in this phase of the vaccination drive, the Chhattisgarh government has announced and has given priority to those who are the Antyodaya card holders. In fact, people who are also, below poverty line and the particularly vulnerable tribal groups will be given priority. And apart from that, after all of the marginalized community gets the jab, after that, the above poverty line community will have to will step forward for the jabs. But till then, the marginalized community has been given the first priority, and that's what the Chhattisgarh government constantly maintained. This center, however, right now is wearing a deserted look. But during the day, subsequently, more and more takers will come and will take their jabs. Chhattisgarh government has also placed an order for 25 lakh of Covaxin and 25 lakh of Covishield as well, which in the days to come will arrive and will help the state government to run the vaccination drive more smoothly. This is Sumi Rajapan for Republic Media Network with video journalist Surinder Shah, New Delhi.
Amid sudden spike in the coronavirus cases in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, which recorded over 3,800 cases in past 24 hours, with 47 people who have succumbed to the COVID-19, the Jammu and Kashmir government has taken a decision to extend the corona curfew that was imposed in the 9 districts from Thursday evening to Monday morning, that it will be extended to 6th of May, that is to Thursday morning, in 4 districts including the capitals Jammu and Srinagar city. This has been done keeping in view the continuous spike in the COVID-19 cases, and right now we are at Gandhinagar area where the barricadings have been put in place. I'll request Vijay to show you the visuals how this barricading has been put in place, though this is the time when a window has been given for people to buy essential commodities, but to avoid the rush in the markets, the area has totally been barricaded. You will see this is the main area from where people usually go to other places connecting markets, but this has totally been barricading. No one is allowed to go here. Jammu and Kashmir police checkposts have also been established, and those who are coming here, they are returning because this area has totally been blocked, and this has been done keeping in view the continuous spike in the COVID-19 cases. We have seen how the Jammu and Kashmir is at a grim situation where the cases are on continuous spike and administration is leaving no stone unturned, but the things are going serious with the time. As yesterday we have seen an incident where a family has alleged that a death has happened at Batra hospital due to shortage of oxygen, and even the principal of that hospital admitted that the need of the oxygen is high, but the supply by the Jammu and Kashmir government is restricted, and that is why it is leading to chaos everywhere. And to snub the spike and to keep a check on the COVID-19, the Jammu and Kashmir government has imposed many such restrictions in all parts of the Union Territory so that they can win its fight against the COVID-19.